everyone, welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. Well, Halloween isn't that far away. In fact, the stores are filled with Halloween candy, that's for sure. And those little pop-up Halloween stores are popping up all over. And they've got Christmas stuff out already. It's really crazy. I mean, Halloween, okay, yeah, but Christmas in September? Whatever. But my son had mentioned to me a while back that Reese's and Oreo were going to do a collaboration, and they were going to make an Oreo Reese's candy and also a cookie. Well, I've been keeping my eyes open and I haven't seen either one of them. And then a couple of days ago, I did spot the candy. The stores didn't have the cookies yet, but they had the candy. And I have a feeling some parts of the country may get these things sooner than others, because I have seen a few people do a few reviews on the cookies, and I don't know where they got them. But anyway, I thought I was going to taste the candies today and see what the hoopla is all about. And then also, I found peanut butter and jelly M&Ms. Have you seen them yet or tried them? Well, I'm going to try those today and see what I think of those. I guess by now you figured out I like peanut butter. And my son keeps telling me, do the review, because he wants to eat some of them. So what do you say we get started? And before you leave, feel free to press the subscribe button. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, because it gives me the incentive to keep going, and it helps my channel to grow. So what should I do first? Well, I think I'm going to do the peanut butter and jelly M&Ms. Now, I have not seen these, so these have to be fairly new. Does it say anything on the bag about them? And I'll put some photos in for you. Basically, no. It says chocolate candies, peanut butter and jelly M&Ms, and there's a picture of an M&M eating a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and then there's an M&M that's cracked open with chocolate and peanut butter in it. So I don't know if you can see these, but I'm going to take a few of them out, and I'm going to see if they really do taste like peanut butter and jelly. I have noticed that M&M has a lot of different flavors out now. I even saw one that was like, I can't remember exactly, it was like a cold brew caramel coffee M&M or something like that. So let me see what these look like. I'll put some in the dish. Well, they're basically the regular M&M colors. Can you see that at all? Well, there's red, brown, and there's not yellow. I think that other one is supposed to be like the color of peanut butter. Oh, now I get it. What was I thinking? The red is the jelly, and those mustardy color ones are the peanut butter, and the brown ones are the chocolate. Dolores, get on the ball here. All right. So let me do my review on these peanut butter and jelly M&Ms and see if they really do taste like peanut butter and jelly M&Ms. So let me see. Maybe I should put a couple in my mouth. Well, believe it or not, they do taste like peanut butter and jelly. I had a feeling maybe they weren't going to, because, you know, some of these things you try out and they don't taste like it, but these do. And they're they're good. So, if you like peanut butter and jelly, and you like M&Ms, pick up a bag of these. In fact, I didn't see a big bag. I think this is called like the share bag or something. And I like them. They're good. And I don't like all the M&Ms, but I like these. All right, so 2 thumbs up for the peanut butter and jelly M&Ms. Okay, moving right along here. This is a bag of Reese's Oreo miniature cups. I have to say, when I swallowed them, they're sweet. I need a drink. All right, now what does this say? It says on the back, Oreo in Reese's. No explanation needed. Okay. Well, if you have 4 of these little mini cups, it's 170 calories. Say anything on the front? Oh, it does. It gives us a description and a picture. It says milk chocolate and white cream peanut butter cups with Oreo cookie crumbs. So the picture on the bag over here looks like it's half white chocolate and half milk chocolate. And then they're showing you the peanut butter inside with what looks like crushed up Oreos. So let me give these a try. I hope the store comes out with the cookies soon, because those are the ones my son's been after me to buy. So let me pour a few on the side of the dish with the M&Ms. Oh, look. They're in blue wrappers. Well, that's very interesting. Look at that. Can you see it? They're blue wrappers with little orange Reese's cups on them and little brown Oreo cookies. That's very interesting. I didn't expect them to be bright blue like this. So let me open one up and see what I think of these. Because Reese's peanut butter cups are one of my favorite, but I don't know if I'm gonna like Oreos mixed in with them or not. I don't know. So let's see what they look like. Open this up. Oh, I'm seeing white here as I open it. See that? Now let me open it. Oh, now it's in, oh, that's paper. It's in just brown paper. So let me take the paper off. Oh, I see. Oh, now I get it. Take the paper off, and inside it's chocolate with white on the top. So it's two-tone. Can you see that? I'll put some stills in for you. All right, so now I guess I'm gonna bite this in half and see what I think. I'm gonna be all peanut buttered out today. Well, I see the peanut butter in there, and then I do see chopped up Oreos in there also. They're sweet, very sweet. I mean, you have the flavor of the white chocolate on the top, milk chocolate on the bottom. Let me see, let me put the other half in. It's crunchy when you chew it because it has the cookies in it. Well, I'm gonna say they're okay. Personally, I prefer the regular Reese's peanut butter cups. These, I think that white chocolate they're showing on the top is supposed to be white cream. So it's milk chocolate on the bottom and white cream on the top. And then the rest is just the regular peanut butter cup, but they have chopped up Oreos mixed in with them. So they're okay. I mean, I give them maybe a 7 out of 10. But everybody has different likes, and I just prefer the plain ones. Just give me the plain Reese's peanut butter cup. I like those. I don't need to have them fool around with white cream on the top and chopped up cookies inside. But they're okay. I would say out of both of these, my favorite would be the M&Ms. They do taste just like peanut butter and jelly. They're really good. So anyway, this is my short little review on the peanut butter and jelly M&Ms and the Oreo and Reese's peanut butter cups. They're called Reese's Oreo. I don't know, not a very clever name, but that's what it says, Reese's Oreo. So anyway, if you like peanut butter and jelly, pick these up. And if you want to try something different, or if you've already tried these, pick up a bag of these and let me know what you think. So, do you get a lot of kids at your house Halloween? Many years ago we did. We got quite a few, but we don't get that many anymore. So I don't buy that much candy because I usually have it left over and then I'm tempted to eat it. So a lot of times I buy candy that I don't like. Then I won't be tempted to eat it if it's left over. And I don't know, it's just my personal opinion, but I don't think Halloween is like it used to be. When I was a kid, we had so much fun on Halloween. We would go out at night. We didn't carry little trick-or-treat bags. We carried pillowcases because they held a lot and they didn't break. And we would go out till all hours and come home and we had so much candy. But nowadays, the world has changed. I don't have to tell you that. And you have to be careful. You have to be careful out there. So the parents walk around with the little ones, and I don't even see that many like teenagers come out anymore at night. So Halloween, not like it used to be. But anyway, thank you all for popping in to see this little video. Been wanting to try these, and I thought, why not share them with you? So thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good week. You know I love you all, and I do appreciate you watching my videos. And I have a great chicken recipe coming on soon. So don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe so you'll get a notification and you won't miss that. So anyway, I will see you all very soon. I have to take a drink of this. I'm thirsty from all that chocolate. Probably should be having milk with it. So anyway, I will see you all very soon. Love you. Toodles! Let me go see if my son wants to taste any of these. I'll tell him now he can eat them because I did the review.